Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an essential piece of audio equipment for anyone working with professional sound setups. The Pegcabac XLR Male to 1.4 TRS jack cable, specifically the 3-foot 2-pack. This cable is designed as a balanced interconnect, featuring a 6.35mm TRS plug on one end and a 3-pin XLR Male connector on the other. Its primary role is to convert a balanced 1.4-inch TRS output to a balanced XLR input, making it a go-to choice for connecting devices like mixing consoles directly to active speakers. It serves as that crucial link for transferring audio signals cleanly and efficiently. When it comes to cable construction, this Pegcabac offering boasts a robust build. It's constructed with 20 AWG OFC conductors, which are known for their conductivity. More importantly, it incorporates double-layer shielding. This includes a high-density bare copper braid shield combined with an aluminum foil layer. This dual shielding is a significant feature, specifically engineered to combat various forms of interference. It works to reduce shaking noise, trampling noise, and electrostatic sound interference, aiming to deliver a signal free from unwanted humming or noise, ensuring a clean audio path. The connectors on this cable are also designed with performance and durability in mind. The 6.35mm jack connectors are 24K gold-plated. Gold plating is used to provide excellent conductivity and minimize resistance, which in turn helps reduce audio, signal attenuation, and distortion. The XLR Male connector features a heavy-duty metal construction made from a heavy alloy. It includes molded stress relief, which is vital for preventing damage at the cable's most vulnerable point where it meets the connector. The frosted texture on the metal shell adds to its tactile feel and durability. This heavy-duty metal shell also serves a functional purpose by blocking out external interference and further reducing potential loss of sound quality. The focus on quality extends to the sound transmission itself. This cable is engineered to seamlessly transmit audio, aiming for clear sound quality. The design prioritizes reliability and reduced signal loss, which is critical in any audio chain. The goal is to maintain a consistent sound output over time, making it a reliable component for music lovers and audio professionals alike. Compatibility is broad, as this 1/4-inch TRS Male to XLR Male patch cable is designed to work with a wide range of equipment. It's compatible with devices featuring 3-pin XLR connectors and 6.35mm sockets. This includes common audio gear such as mixers, cameras, amplifiers, soundboxes, microphones, and power amplifiers. The versatility makes it a valuable addition to various audio setups, from studio environments to live sound applications. The availability as a 2-pack also adds convenience, providing a spare or allowing for stereo connections right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.